Hello students, in this video we will discuss our next exercise 5C. So there is the sum of difference of two cubes. So let's start exercise 5D. So you have to find out the sum of two cubes and the difference of two cubes. That means a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So you know about a formula a plus b whole cube. So that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now from here we have to find out the value of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube, keep it same side, and all others, that means 3a square b and 3ab square, keep it another side. Now k plus b whole cube, keep as it is same, and from these two values you can take common 3ab. So if you take common here 3ab, so here is left a and here is left plus b. Because I am taking here common minus, that's why minus minus it will be plus again. Now from these two you can take common a plus b. So if you take common here a plus b, what you will get here? There is left a plus b whole square and minus 3ab. Now if you open the bracket, then you will get a square plus 2ab plus b square and minus 3ab is given here. Now if you calculate it, you will get a square minus ab plus b square. So this is the formula of a cube plus b cube. This is our first formula. So in the similar way you can show that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. So these two formula you have to remember here. Here now go to our exercise. So let's see exercise 5D, second problem. So exercise 5D, question number 2 is given here, 1 minus 8 a cube. So you have to make this one in the form of a cube minus b cube, otherwise a cube plus b cube. So here is minus given, that means you have to make this one as a cube minus b cube form. So 1 you can write like this way, 1 cube, and this one you can write like 2a whole cube. So now you can use a cube minus b cube formula. So what is it? It was a minus b a square plus a b plus b square. Now solve it. 1 minus 2a, keep as it is same, and 1 square means 1. 2a into 1, that means 2a, and 2a whole square, this will be 4a square. There. Now go to another problem like this, question number 4. So question number 4 is given here, a to the power 6 plus 27b to b cube. Now we can make this one like this way, that means a cube plus b cube form. So you can write a square whole cube and 3b whole cube. So a square is here a and 3b here b. So you can use this formula, a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now this is a square plus 3b, and if you solve it, then you will get a square minus 3ab plus 9b square. So that's it. Now go to our next problem. Question number 9. Look at question number 8 first. So question number 8 is given here: a to the power 4 minus 343 a. So you have to make this one as either a cube plus b cube, otherwise a cube minus b cube. So which form you can use here? Look, this one you can't make like a cube, and so from here you have to take firstly common a. So this will be converted to a cube minus 343. So now a keep is that is same, so this will convert it to a cube, and this will you can convert like 7 cube. So this is of the form of a cube minus b cube. Now you can use a cube minus b cube formula. So that is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Now solve it. A into a minus 7 a square plus 7a plus 49. So this is our answer. Now go to next problem like this. Question number 11. So question number 11 is given here: a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. So you have to make this one like a cube plus b cube, otherwise a cube minus b cube. So we can make this one like this way: a square whole cube minus b square whole cube. Now you can use here a cube minus b cube formula. A is here a square and b is here b square. So a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Now you can write this one: a square minus b square, and a square whole square, this will be a to the power 4 a square b square and b to the power 4. Now here you can write a plus b into a minus b. Now our factorization process is completed. Now go to next problem, question number 15. So question number 15, there is given a minus b minus a cube plus b cube. Now from here you have to rearrange something. Firstly keep this one in a single bracket and keep these two in another bracket. So take here common minus. So this will convert it to a cube minus b cube. Now you can break this formula, a cube minus b cube formula. So that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So before this minus, this is one term, and after this minus, this is another term. So from these two terms you can take common a minus b. So if you take common here a minus b, what you will get? You will get, here is 1 minus, and here is left a square plus ab plus b square. Now a minus b, open the second bracket, you will get 1 minus a square minus ab minus b square. So our factorization process is completed. So in this way up to question number 15 you can do in your home. Thank you.